Hello everyone, this is part 3 in my investigative series on White Helmet co-founder James Le Mesurier's death in Istanbul, Turkey. I'm currently on the ground in Turkey investigating the case through my sources and real-time coverage here. In this episode, I cover the following information and revelations currently totally absent in Western media coverage of the case. Highly important new revelations involving Le Mesurier's wife, Emma Winberg, including her previous employments and connections to Israel and her current status as the prime suspect in the case. Insiders and experts in Turkey who are familiar with the case, including pathologists, forensic experts, and homicide detectives, all point towards murder and foul play, while official statements lean toward suicide. I present direct testimonies by highly regarded experts and authorities contradicting the official narrative. Earlier today, Le Mesurier's body was taken out of Turkish government custody and transferred to Istanbul airport. The body was then taken to London via a Turkish airline plane. This is eyebrow-raising considering that the forensic test results and final autopsy report are still pending, not completed yet. All this and more in this in-depth report from Turkey, available only at Newsbud. Without my Newsbud community members and their support, this investigative series couldn't have been possible. Subscribe and join our Newsbud community to access this episode if you are interested in this case and all my other investigative reports and analysis. Links are listed below. Thank you all. This is Sibel Edmonds reporting for Newsbud from Turkey.